we kind of was at the point where it was just like diminishing returns. Like we was done. You feel me? She ended up telling me that I was a B word. Like I be acting like a girl, basically. Alright, what's good, gangsters? It's your boy Daddy Watts.
And that's the cheerleader.
Oh my god. Back with another video, man. In this video, we're gonna talk about how I'm able to maintain my relationship, have a nice, wholesome relationship while being over the road as a truck driver, a professional flatbed truck driver. You feel me? That really means something. But anyways, I'm gonna get right into the video. You ready? Cause I'm gonna start with just basically how we get to this point where we at right now. So I'm gonna go all the way back to when I first met her, but when I met her back in college. You feel me? So I met her and we kicking it and stuff like that. I was doing all of these type of things that, you feel me, I was just feeling like she wanted. I didn't ask her what she wanted. We was just winging it, and I'm a lover boy too, so I'm just doing not the most, but just doing what I'm doing and stuff like that. And eventually we got to a point where we was like arguing and fighting a lot and stuff, and we just we kind of was at the point where it was just like diminishing returns. Like we was done. You feel me? And then she ended up telling me that I was a B word. Like I be acting like a girl, basically. You know what I'm saying? And I knew myself, and that wasn't me. You feel me? But when she said it, and I just felt that she was serious about it, I was like, man, I gotta do something. Like I gotta switch something up, cause I didn't let this girl change me to something that, you feel me, I'm not. You feel me? So I just did some working on myself. You feel me? And I'm who I am today. You feel me? I'm a man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not. We not toxic no more and all that good type of stuff, because I had looked in the mirror. I looked at myself. I didn't take what she said and took offense to it. I literally looked in the mirror, looked at myself, and seen what was wrong with me. I didn't recognize myself, so I worked on myself and stuff like that. So now at this point, we hear a lot of arguing, fighting, a lot of talking. Not to no counselors or nothing, but basically my parents, they giving us a game and stuff like that. And you know, we took a leap of faith, got out here on our own, started getting stuff on our own, no co-signers, stuff like that, and just building up our relationship and stuff like that. When we started to get stuff on our own together as a team, we started to bond more. You feel me? So once we started to bond more, we got into this apartment, no co-signer, you know, all that good stuff, and we started to love on each other more. You feel me? I started to learn her love language. She learned my love language. Her love language, she like to go places. So I gotta spend money and go places.
Well, I like time.
Yeah.
And memories.
You know, so we started going somewhere every month in 2021. Actually, we started going places every month. You feel me? And she was doing what she was doing. She know my love language. And and so shit, we just where we at right now. We literally had to work on this. Number two, we had to work on understanding each other. You feel me? Not feeling like, okay, I want to do this, or I'm gonna do this for you because I feel this way. No, I had to learn who she was as a person, know what she liked, know what makes her upset, know what makes her happy. You feel me? Know what grinds her gears and stuff. And I operate off of that now. You feel me? She know me inside and out. You know what I'm talking about? She understand me, I understand her. I respect her the way she should be respected as a woman, and she do the same for me as a man. You feel me? So at the end of the day, she let me be a man. You know what I'm saying? I lead from the front. I'm a nice leader, and she's a leader in her own right, but she follow when she's supposed to. You feel me? And same for me. I follow when I'm supposed to, and all that good type of stuff. It ain't no clashing going on. We know our roles. You feel me? But yeah, I think that's it though. Just we learn how we understand each other. You feel me? We got a nice understanding and shit. What you got?
I mean, that's about it.
That's
like,
about it. That's what I'm saying. That's about it right there.
You lead, I follow. Like, it's just, that's you're the man, and as the woman, I respect him and follow his lead, and yeah.
You know, I feel like this type of video need to be heard, need to be out there and stuff like that, because it's a lot of folks on YouTube. It's a lot of watered down stuff. I'm gonna give y'all the real, you feel me? I'm gonna keep it real and stuff like that. You know, I ain't even gonna go there, but I'm just gonna keep it real, man. Y'all ain't never seen no black couple like this that's out here really, you know, got some goals and they going for them and stuff like that, and we sticking by each other, and we, you know, we got each other back when stuff go down and all that good stuff. Sure. You feel me? You ain't seeing that out here. You feel me? You ain't seeing that. You feel me? So yeah, man, I feel like y'all needed this video, so I'm giving y'all this video. That's it. That's all. You heard me? Quick video. I just wanted to go ahead and get that out there because I want people to know the type of dynamic, the dynamic of our relationship. You feel me? Like, we not no little kitty couple out here and stuff like that that's just throwing videos up on YouTube and no crazy stuff. Like, we really do this. You feel me? Like, for real. Like, we really married, but we not. We really married though. Like, we like this.
People say.
Yeah, people even say that. You feel me? We just got a nice understanding about each other. Y'all need, number one, you need to for one, you gonna go through stuff. That's number one, cause that's basically what number one was. Like, you gonna go through stuff. You gonna fight. You gonna fuss. All that good stuff. But you gotta get through that, dog. Some type of way. I can't tell you how. I told you how we did vaguely, but that's how we did. I can't tell you. Two, you just gotta learn to understand each other. You gotta learn how to love each other the way that y'all want to be loved. And if y'all can't do that, then y'all probably need to do this. You feel me? Y'all ain't this, y'all this. Right? Yeah.
Let your man be a man and your woman be a woman.
Be a woman.
Y'all should be like, what am I trying to say?
I don't know.
Y'all should be adding value to each other. Pretty much.
Add some value, man. Learn each other, learn each other's worst fears, their biggest accomplishments that they want to achieve, all that good stuff. And y'all just keep rocking. Learn how to understand your partner. That's number two. I ain't got nothing else for y'all, so get off my channel. Bye.